I'm Lucie. I'm working at Prismic as a developer experience engineer, and I'm also a Nuxt.js core team member. At Prismic, part of my job is to maintain the company's open source ecosystem, and that's what my talk at Nuxt Nation is about. We'll discuss NPM packages, what they're about, and how you can make your own and understand them so you can better work with them inside your projects. So join me at Nuxt Nation the 18th and 19th of October to join my talk and all the other talk there and the community.
How do you see Nuxt shaping the future of web development?
Okay, so there's something really interesting about Nuxt.js and the Nuxt team is that we have a really close relationship with the Chrome team and like people working on Chrome basically. And with them, like we can discuss like performances and like what we should focus on to shape the future of web browsers to like deliver better experience to users, better performance and everything. And that gives us at Nuxt a head start on like integrating those features and also like developing features integrates better with the new and like modern web that we're trying to push alongside the Chrome team.
If Nuxt were a character in a sci fi movie, what futuristic gadgets or abilities would it possess?
Okay. Well, like I don't know. Like when you told me of like Nuxt as a character in like a sci-fi movie or something like that, I thought about like Blender from Futurama. I was thinking it would be some kind of a robot with a lot of gadgets because that's what Nuxt is about at the end of the day. It's like giving you like a framework and like some kind of empty shell. And like with it, you have a lot of tools at your disposition to build exactly the kind of website you want to build, whether it's a static website, a full blown like application or like some kind of SPA or anything. Nuxt empowers you with all of that. And so, yeah, you get some kind of robot.
Choose two Nuxt modules to build a web app as fast as possible. Which modules did you choose to finish the project and why?
Okay, well, that's an easy answer. First of all, you take the Tailwind module. It gives you Tailwind out of the box and like no configuration required. So you can like write your style really quickly inside your template and like no worries about like, having style.css files around your code or like using the style section of your Vue components. The second module is Prismic, of course. This way you can manage your content, develop your website in sections, and like allow your content writer to compose them when building pages.
If you could invite three influential figures from the web world, past or present, who would they be and what would be the most intriguing topic of the discussion at the table?
Okay, well, I guess today we're building websites with like meta framework. So of course, like we're using like Vue, React, or Svelte. But what we use, like most developers in the day to build our site is a meta framework. It's like a set of tools that allows us to use for JavaScript frameworks. And well, I guess it would be interesting to have a discussion with Daniel Rowe from Nuxt, Tim Keynes from Nuxt.js, who's like quite the equivalent of Daniel Rowe at Nuxt.js. And well, maybe Rich Harris from Svelte or someone who's working actively on SvelteKit. Because I think like maybe those three are like the three main meta frameworks in the sense of like those are the ones we think about when we want to build like really modern websites for users. And well, like having them discussing like the future of what modern website means, like both for developers and like end users, with maybe people from like Chrome or like also like browser working people, that could be interesting.